How to add admin to our Instagram account. So first of all, we're gonna need to switch from our profile to Facebook page, and next we're gonna go ahead and click the avatar icon and gonna click settings, privacy, proceed to settings. Couple seconds. All right, and we're gonna see right here the linked account. Okay, so we're gonna just disconnect the account so we can let you know how you can do the steps right here. So we're gonna connect our account right here, and we're gonna just connect right here, and we're gonna proceed, and we're gonna authorize it. Next we're gonna just wait until it's open to us to log in from our Instagram account. Okay, we're gonna enter our username right here, and we're gonna enter our password. Okay, next we're gonna wait for a couple seconds. Okay, and after we wait for a couple seconds, and it's gonna say Instagram connected, and we're gonna click done. Okay, next you're gonna see right here the account of your Instagram has been linked to your page, and we're gonna see right here you can review roles on Facebook page settings. We're gonna click on it, and we're gonna wait for a couple seconds. And it says right here community managers. Community managers can moderate chat comments, suspend or remove people who violate community standards, and see all the admins on this page Okay, we're gonna click on manage. All right, and we're gonna add community manager, and we're gonna add the name or the email of that person, and we're gonna add him or her to our moderation or community managers, and we're gonna limit her restrictions. Maybe she can chat and comment, maybe she can have full access, and maybe she don't. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.